Good day to you. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 76 of Sales Training Program. Focus on the feature the prospect is interested. If we have 10 features and benefits listed in order of descending importance, from the most attractive benefit your product offers down to the least, unveil your features and benefits in that order. If your prospect brightens up and becomes intensely interested when you mention your second most desirable benefit, you can then focus on that and even start moving towards closing the sale. Try to close the sale as soon as possible. The prospect says, in response to a particular point in your presentation, "Wow, that's great! I have never seen that before. We need that around here. How long does it take to get something like that delivered?" When this happens, you can ask for the order immediately. You don't need to go on talking any further. Simply say, "How soon would you need this?" and close the sale. Buying distance. Every prospect is either very close to buying when he meets the salesperson for the first time or very far away. Actually, most prospects are somewhere in between. Some prospects only need one or two reasons to say yes. Other prospects require a much longer sale process before they are ready to buy. His sales presentation was designed to be effective with any prospect he met. Do not hesitate to close the order. What we have found over the years is that many sales are delayed for longer than they need to be because salespeople are reluctant to ask for the order and bring the transaction to a close. Selling tangible products. Closing the sale on a tangible product requires a different method than closing on an intangible product. When you have made a presentation on a tangible product, such as a car, a computer, a cell phone, or a refrigerator, and the prospect has no further questions, you should ask for the order immediately. This is the end of part 76 of sales training program. I can also train you one on one and psychologically analyze you, find out your shortcomings, and make corrective actions. You can contact me using the telephone numbers available on the screen. Kindly subscribe to this channel also. Good day to you and thank you.